Welcome to the ArtGuard RF Wireless Security System instructional video. Your ArtGuard RF system comes pre-programmed with each of the ArtGuard sensor modules preset to communicate with your Simon control panel. All you need to do is connect the backup battery, program the time and date, and activate the alarm, and the system is ready to protect each hanging piece in your collection. This helpful video will take you through a visual step-by-step of the easy setup in the ArtGuard manual, including the installation of the ArtGuard module on the wall, hanging art or an object on the ArtGuard sensor module, reconnection of the backup battery, which has been disconnected for shipping, programming the time and date, activating the alarm, and instructions to arm and disarm the system. Additional instructions for hanging and programming are detailed in the accompanying ArtGuard manual. If you are not accustomed to handling electronic equipment, or you want to expand the functions of your GE system to incorporate a full range of security measures in your facility, we recommend that you contact a licensed installer. Chances are most installers in your area are familiar with GE systems. If you have trouble locating one, please contact us. Let's first make sure you have everything. Reopen the box with the receiver and remove the GE instruction manual and GE system video, which support conventional security applications for the GE system, the ArtGuard instruction manual and ArtGuard protection notifiers, the battery charger, which is already connected to your panel, and the GE Simon control panel. There's also a telephone cord and jack. These are used to set up the system to communicate to a landline, cell phone, pager, or security desk or office. In order to do so, it will be necessary to call an installer and your local security company. We have also included a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we'll do is to install the wireless ArtGuard module on the wall. We recommend that a chart be created that shows the location of each module in the room or building. Note that the modules have been numbered. Pick up one of the ArtGuard modules. Each module is shipped from the factory with a black plastic strip inserted in the wire slot on top. Its purpose is to depress the sensor button, deactivating the transmitter and preserving the battery. This also prevents the sensor module from communicating with the control panel, directing the panel's supervision only to the active modules. Note how the strips are placed in the module so they can be replaced in the unused units. Place the strips in a safe place, an easily accessible place. You might even tape them to the front of the modules. Each module is a completely independent hanging system and supports up to 25 pounds of hanging weight. For methods of hanging heavier pieces and securing ArtGuard to different wall constructions, refer to the ArtGuard manual. Let's look at a few more details of the module. 4 peaks on the metal back are designed to prevent twisting of the unit once it's tight against the wall. Notice in the groove on top of ArtGuard there is a small hidden hook. This is to slow or resist any attempt at a grab-and-run theft. In order to remove the work, it must be slid straight up the wall to bypass the hook. Now we'll attach the unit to the wall. First, remove the black plastic strip. Insert a screw. If using a screw gun, stop before completely tightening. Make sure the unit is not tilted, and finish the last few turns with a screwdriver. Then hang the work and make sure it's level. Again, the ArtGuard instructions cover other methods of hanging. Once the work is in place, we'll go back to the control panel, connect the backup battery, and put the Simon panel into service. To prevent the panel from possibly announcing an audible but false low battery alert during shipping, the red plus terminal has been disconnected from the battery. This must be replaced before plugging in the Simon charger. Open the back of the Simon panel by pressing the two raised buttons on the top of the unit's case while pushing open the back of the panel. Notice the way the hinge is attached to the back section of the panel for reattachment. Disengage the hinges and completely remove the back section. Place the face of the panel on a soft surface. You can use the bubble pack from the box as a pad. If any buttons are inadvertently pressed during this process, it may trigger certain announcements by the panel, but you can disregard these. Slightly separate the white plastic retainer clips securing the battery and lift the battery up, but not completely out from the white clips, just enough to expose the red terminal. Connect the red wire to the red terminal. In case the battery is lifted completely out, the white lettering on the battery should be face up, with the red terminal to the upper left of the case. Once the wire is connected to the terminal, push down evenly on the lettered face of the battery until the bottom slides down and into its seat, and both retainer clips snap over the edges of the battery. Make sure the black and red wires are resting snugly in the slot above the upper white clip. Replace the back of the case by first connecting the hinged bottom at a 90-degree angle to the panel and close the case until it snaps shut. If the case does not easily close, make sure the wires are tucked in and firmly recheck the hinge connection. Choose a location for the panel and plug in the charger. You'll notice a retention screw on the charger. This should be screwed into the receptacle plate to secure the charger to the wall. Press the status button until the panel announces time is not set, system OK.
Time is not set, system OK.
As we proceed with programming and any operating functions of the system, we'll use two 4-digit codes. One is the operating code, preset at 1234. The other is the programming code, preset at 4321. Either of these codes can be customized, and we recommend that you do so. Section 6 in the ArtGuard instruction manual will take you through that process. It's important to understand that the Simon control panel operates on several security levels. Doors and windows and any intrusion security sensors are normally turned off during the daytime when people are moving about the home or facility. But ArtGuard is on all the time, 24/7, so it must operate in a separate group, referred to as Group 8. When the system says or announces the term disarm, it means the doors and windows are disarmed, but not ArtGuard. Regardless of whether you plan to connect additional GE sensors to this system, ArtGuard is only disarmed when the system displays or announces sub-disarmed. It is only when in the sub-disarmed state that pieces of art can be moved without setting off the alarm. If the panel currently says disarmed, you want to place it in the sub-disarmed state. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 to put the system in sub-disarmed.
Sub-disarmed.
Notice that when the system is in the disarmed state, the disarm button light is solid. And when in the sub-disarmed state, it is blinking, reminding you that your art is currently not being protected. Setting time and date. Again, press the status button and the panel announces time is not set, system OK.
Time is not set, system OK.
Press OK and set clock will appear in the window. Press OK again and it displays access code, prompting you for your code. Since we are in a programming function, enter the programming code 4321 and press OK. Note that if the code is not entered promptly, the panel display will reset. Simply repeat the process, being careful to act more quickly. Press OK again, and the hour number will flash. Use the up or down arrow buttons on either side of the OK button to set the hour and press OK. Do the same with the minutes, pressing OK after, and the same with AM or PM, pressing OK after. Once the time is set, exit this task by pressing the status button until the panel announces System OK.
System OK.
Now we'll set the date. Press the OK button and then the down arrow button to set date. Press OK and it will again ask for the access code. Enter 4321 and press OK. Set date will appear. Press OK again and the year will flash. Use the up or down arrows to set the current year and press OK. Then scroll to the month, pressing OK after, and finally the day, pressing OK after. Once the date is set, press the status button until the panel announces System OK.
System OK.
Next, we'll activate the piezo alarm. A reminder that if you want the system to send a different type of alert, either consult the GE instructions or contact a local security company. Again, for obvious reasons, the alarm has been turned off for shipping. It's important to make sure the system is in the sub-disarmed mode before activating the alarm. Press the disarm button until the system announces disarmed.
Disarmed.
In order to place it in sub-disarmed, press the operating code 1234.
Sub-disarmed.
It should say sub-disarmed and the disarm button is blinking. Press the OK button and scroll with either triangular scroll button until the panel reads System Programming and press OK. The panel will read Enter Code. Promptly enter the programming code 4321 and promptly press OK. Press either scroll button and scroll through the displayed options until Siren option appears, and press OK. Scroll through the options to Panel Piezo Alarm Off, and press OK. The word Off will be blinking. Press the scroll button once, and the Off will turn to a blinking On. Press OK to stop the blinking. To exit this task, press the status button until the panel announces System OK.
System OK.
Our final task will be to arm the system. Press the disarm button to move the system status from sub-disarm to disarm,
Disarmed.
arming all program modules at once. Your ArtGuard RF system is now on and your work is fully protected. If a work is removed without authorization or without sub-disarming the system, the alarm will sound. To stop the alarm, press the disarm button once and immediately enter 1234 or your customized code. The alarm sound from the panel is sufficiently loud to be heard in any large space. An installer can reduce the sound for comfort level by installing a smaller piezo alarm. Exterior remote alarms are available from the installer as well. The system can also be programmed to completely eliminate the panel alarm. Refer to the Simon XT instruction manuals for all available information relating to the panel or call the GE Tech support number listed in their instructions. All the details of this video and all additional operating information are included in your ArtGuard instruction manual. Now enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your art is secure.